Are you a creative pro tired of compromising between color accuracy and screen real estate? Meet the BenQ PD3420Q, a 34-inch ultrawide monitor that promises HDR10 support, 99% AdobeRGB, and factory-calibrated color accuracy right out of the box. But does it truly deliver studio-grade visuals and productivity perks? Or is it just another overhyped panel? Stick around, our verdict might surprise you. Product Overview. The BenQ PD3420Q is a 34-inch 2K QHD ultra-wide professional monitor. Launched by BenQ in late 2020, specifically tailored for graphic designers, video editors, animators, and CAD professionals. Designed under BenQ's prestigious PD series, the PD3420Q aims to bridge the gap between high-end to color performance and productivity-driven workflows. With its 21:9 aspect ratio, factory-calibrated color precision, and HDR10 certification, this monitor speaks directly to creators who demand accuracy and screen space without breaking into premium pricing. In a sea of flashy gaming displays, this one stands out for its dedication to creative excellence. Performance. In real-world usage, the PD3420Q excels where it matters most: color accuracy and workflow efficiency. During Adobe Premiere Pro editing sessions, the monitor's 99% AdobeRGB and DCI-P3 coverage made color grading incredibly precise. Photoshop and Lightroom usage were also buttery smooth. Thanks to display here, 400 and delta E is less than or equal to 3 accuracy, which help replicate what prints and final exports will actually look like. Multitasking is another strong point. With its 3440 by 1440 resolution, you can comfortably run multiple windows side by side, ideal for simultaneously editing, referencing, and reviewing scripts or assets. Response times are decent for video editing and UI work, but not tailored for high-speed gaming. One surprise? BenQ's Hotkey Puck G2 really speeds things up. Whether you're toggling between CAD, animation, or darkroom modes, the shortcut dial becomes second nature in a day. The only minor drawback was limited HDR brightness, especially in direct light. But under controlled studio conditions, it's more than usable. Its features and tech. Let's talk about what makes the PD3420Q a powerhouse in the creative arena. Ocular technology. This is BenQ's signature tech that ensures accurate and consistent color reproduction. It's factory calibrated for Rec. 709 sRGB, AdobeRGB, and DCI-P3 right out of the box. HDR10 support plus display here 400. While not peak HDR territory like OLEDs or mini LDs, the HDR10 support here makes a difference for video editors needing a more dynamic tonal range. DualView Mode. This nifty feature lets you compare 2 color modes side by side, which is a blessing when proofing between Rec. 709 and sRGB, or comparing color-graded versus raw footage. Thunderbolt 3 compatibility. While it doesn't have a native Thunderbolt port, its USB-C supports daisy chaining and fast data transfer, making it MacBook and Ultrabook friendly. Compared to similarly priced ultrawides like the LG 34WN8OC, the PD3420Q edges ahead in calibration accuracy and professional software support, even if it lacks a few bells and whistles for gamers. Design and build. The PD3420Q is built like a true professional's tool. No RGB lights or glossy plastics here. The matte anti-glare finish works beautifully under studio lighting, while the sturdy stand offers full height, tilt, swivel, and pivot adjustments. The frameless edge on 3 sides adds to its sleek look and immersive viewing. Materials feel premium with no screen flex or wobble. Its built-in cable management system is a subtle but appreciated touch, and the panel curvature strikes a nice balance between immersion and screen flatness for precision tasks. Pros. Exceptional factory-calibrated color accuracy, 99% AdobeRGB, plus 95% DCI-P3, plus HDR10. For creative pros, ergonomic stand and pro-friendly Hotkey Puck cons, HDR. Brightness is limited compared to true HDR displays. Not designed for gaming, lacks high refresh rate, price, and value. At around $899, $999, the BenQ PD3420Q sits in the premium mid-tier bracket, It's not cheap. But when compared to color-accurate monitors like the Eizo CS2740 or Apple Studio Display, it offers immense value. You're getting ultra-wide screen real estate, HDR, USB-C, with power delivery, and professional-grade color reproduction features usually found in more expensive displays. For creative professionals, the return on investment is substantial, especially if you're looking for a monitor that can double as both a productivity enhancer and a color-critical workhorse. Final verdict. The BenQ PD3420Q is a standout monitor for professionals who need true color accuracy, immersive screen real estate, and reliable performance across creative software. It's not trying to be everything for everyone at 1T, satisfy hardcore gamers or HDR purists, but for graphic designers, animators, and content creators, it checks nearly every box. It's especially ideal for MacBook users thanks to USB-C and its sleek, minimalist design. If you want a monitor that balances professional-grade color with ultra-wide multitasking power, the PD3420Q is absolutely worth considering. Just be sure to pair it with a decent sound setup since speakers are MIA.